fermented ginger drinks with flavors, and they have Haskap flavor, which is basically a berry that's from Hokkaido. And like the word Haskap is an Ainu word, so Ainu means obviously using that berry for generations. It's my favorite. Yay. Some more cool drinks. Karma Cola. Butterfly PETs and stuff. Cheers. But they're getting ready. Because it's coming soon.
Look.
Yeah, I know. I'd rather eat these than throw these at an oni. They look yum.
Wow, this is yum.
And right next to the fish heads. Oh no! It's fizzy. That's unexpected. Rice Teriyaki Burger. Where's the teriyaki? Ooh, hello. Hi. The rice teriyaki burger. Hello. Where's the teriyaki? Oh, it's somewhere in there. And a little bitty potatoes. And what else did we got? We got this tonkatsu with apples on top, right?
Yeah,
Huh?
apple.
There's apples somewhere.
Oh, here.
There they are. Sweet. Little bitty soups. Itty bitty soup. Bubble soup. Kanpai. Tell me, is it yummy?
Yes.
Tell me more. And?
The apple.
Is the apple really good? Chocolate with alcohol in it. Cookies with alcohol. And vanilla. And
Pure vanilla.
What's this thing again?
Nami nami.
Chocolate. Nami chocolate. Yum. That's a French press. Like, how
For
awesome is
decaf
that?
coffee.
Like,
Which
what?
never happens.
Never. Wow. Dun, dun, dun. A scene of the water and the leaves floating in the Shishiodoshi is expressed abstractly.
We created the work abstractly from the heart of thinking that the leaves floating in the water basin are beautiful.
The leaves floating on the
Somebody was
Shishiodoshi
buying the umeboshi thingy.
and the umeboshi and the color of the sky reflected in the water tell the flow of the season.
That was funny.
Sometimes they are dyed red, and at other times the fallen flowers float and become the color of young leaves.
The pattern on the surface is a gradation of nature that changes depending on the weather and the season.
Composed of a combination of pineapple, mango, celery, and dill in a jasmine tea mousse with a deep fragrance.
This jasmine-scented pear sauce expresses water standing on a stone. Oops, my shadow. And a tea leaf floats on top.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Interesting.
Eat it. Do you want to have this?
Yeah. Ooh, cake.
Cake. Mango. Just kidding.
Celery and dill.
Look at all
There's
that
the
juice.
dill. Look at the dill in
Holy
here.
Lord.
I didn't know dill was in sweets. Only in, I thought maybe that was only in Lithuania.
Oh no.
Good save.